Hello and welcome to Last One Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make rosemary and garlic lamb kebabs and cream stewed cabbage. I've got Lego lamb without bone here that I'm cutting into cubes. I'm using 4 twigs or sprigs of rosemary that I'm picking the leaves off of, roasted garlic and pepper, and garlic, some pink Himalayan salt, and some garlic powder as seasoning. Once the chunks are seasoned up, I'm using my grinder with a small die, and I'm actually grinding the meat twice. Taking a handful of the meat, shaping them into a sausage shape or a kebab shape actually. I'm not using any sticks, I don't really think that's going to be needed. And once they have a decent shape, I'm gonna give them a crust and some butter in a skillet. I'm not gonna cook them in a skillet all the way through, but just browning them all over, and then once they're all browned, I'm gonna put them in a pan and finish them off in the oven at 225 450 for about 8 to 10 minutes. I actually temp them with a instant read thermometer just to make sure that they had reached 165 or 72 Celsius. Anyway, okay, so once they're browned, I'm adding the cabbage to the fat, and that's gonna take, actually it took a little bit longer than the kebabs took in the oven. Once they had started to go translucent, I added about a cup of cream, and that was it. Let it simmer until they were soft. Like I usually do, veggies on the bottom, and then putting the kebabs on top, siding it with a little bit of salad. And this actually came out really nice. So the only thing left now is taste test. There we go, some rosemary lamb kebabs with cream stewed cabbage. Let's try it. Let's try it. That's really nice. Those flavors work so well together. If you had lamb and we had them with garlic and rosemary, you know that it's a match made in heaven. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.